Why is my HP Instant Ink bill higher than expected? If you have received an email from HP Instant Ink, and the bill or charge was higher than expected, there are a few possible reasons explaining this. Consider the following. Your monthly bill is calculated based on the number of pages printed, not the number of ink shipments received. Your monthly payment covers the printing of your plan pages as well as any accumulated rollover pages. If you print more pages than your plan and rollover pages combined, you are charged for them. If you have the paper add-on service and print more pages than your plan and rollover pages combined, you are charged for the extra pages. You are charged at the end of your final billing cycle if you cancel. You will not be charged again after this final charge. To view charges and print your invoice for any billing period, open a web browser and go to hpsmart.com. Sign into your HP account. Click HP Instant Ink, then select Print and Payment History from the left menu. Expand the Print and Payment History section. Select the desired date, then click Download for a specific bill, or download all invoices to get all of them. Open the downloaded invoice to see a breakdown of your charges.